The Office of the Prime Minister says rising global oil prices have increased the international cost of gasoline, diesel and kerosene. However, Press Secretary to the Prime Minister, Melissa Paul, says retail fuel prices in Saint Lucia will remain unchanged for the period August 1st to 23rd.
The government of Saint Lucia has maintained the retail prices of fuel and liquid petroleum gas LPG or cooking gas for the period August 1st to August 23rd, 2026, despite a rise in global crude oil prices during the referenced period. International benchmark crude oil prices increased by 9.4% during the 3-week reference period, driving up the cost of gasoline, diesel, and kerosene on the international markets. Despite those increases, the government has kept retail, fuel, and cooking prices unchanged for consumers in Saint Lucia.
Fuel and cooking gas prices will remain unchanged for the current pricing period. Gasoline and diesel will continue to sell at $16.75 per imperial gallon, while kerosene remains at $10.41 per imperial gallon. LPG prices also remain unchanged, with the 20-pound cylinder at $34, the 22-pound cylinder at $38, the 100-pound cylinder at $288.50, and bulk LPG at $2.76 per pound.
Government support remains in place for all petroleum products to help cushion the impact of fluctuations in international energy prices on households and businesses. During the current pricing period, kerosene continues to receive a subsidy of $3.52 per imperial gallon. The government will also continue to subsidize cooking gas by $24.27 per 20-pound cylinder, $26.10 per 22-pound cylinder, $2.87 per 100-pound cylinder, and 3 cents per pound of bulk LPG.
Fuel prices are reviewed every 3 weeks under the modified fuel price pass-through mechanism. The next review is scheduled for August 24th, 2026. I'm Christabel Obi reporting for Hot 7 TV News.